Hey YouTube, Old Basement Tavern. Gonna show you the new LED lights I put in my basement bar. Got them off eBay. I think they were like $9 a piece, and they go regular white. They're a non-canless light. You can mount them with just above your ceiling if you cut in a 6.5 inch hole. But they're pretty nice lights. Really lights it up nice down here. I already put some over the bar last week. You can see them in the distance. But I also redid the main lights, because if you shut these off for more than 30 seconds, they go back to the default color of white. But if you turn it on and start flicking the switch, this is what happens. They go through each color depending on how you want to leave it. Then once you go so far, they'll start going through the color changing mode. Like so. There we go. And these things are pretty nice, I think. Really makes it look good down here. Lights everything up. We got some other lights down here for the dartboard. This is on a dimmer. Got these on a wall dimmer over here that light up our bulletin boards and the shuffleboard table. They're the adjustable ones we put in. Of course, we got the popcorn machine. And I've got a card table that goes right here. We added this guy right here. So that'll be right down in the middle of our card table. So I think they turned out good. Later, YouTube.